I've come up with one that tastes, and that is my dog Halo no chicken broth. And I need you to stop. She loves to hassle me when, if we're not paying attention to her. Hey, it's Venus and Healthy Life Made Simple. You guys are always asking me about simple dinners that you can prepare. So I'm starting to make these easy, quick bakes where you just dump everything into one pan, bake it, and it's done. Today I'm kind of doing a rendition, is that a word? Of what I used to eat as a kid, which was the chicken and rice casseroles, that had the cream of mushroom soup in it and all of that. Now, this is so simple. Of course, it's going to be vegan. There is no chicken. I'm even today going to use no chicken broth by Halo. This is a great, beautiful, clean chicken broth. We have rice, we have nutritional yeast, we have mushrooms, which I love mushrooms, so I put more mushrooms. If you don't like that much mushrooms, put in less. Remember, be the king or queen of your kitchen. And I've got broccoli. We have garbanzo beans, great source of protein. We've got garlic and onions and celery. And then we have some smoked paprika. And the reason for the smoked paprika is to put a little meaty taste in there. We have salt, and then we have cashew cream. I always have cashew cream in my house. It's so easy to make. Of course, all the recipes will be linked. If you don't, you can buy cashew cream at the store, or you can use full-fat coconut milk. Just make sure that no matter what you use, that it is unsweetened and unflavored. First thing we're going to do is take our chicken broth. We're going to take our cream and our spices, and we're going to let it come to a nice simmer. Put our oven on at 350. It's preheated. Salt. We've got smoky paprika, which I absolutely love. I love nutritional yeast, high in B vitamins. There we go. Now, we're going to put this on the stove and let it simmer, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to put this all together. I'm going to go ahead and spray this 9x13 baking pan with a little olive oil. You don't have to, but it just makes cleaning up so much easier. We're going to put our garbanzos in. We're going to spread the garlic, onions, and the celery. We're going to lay in our broccoli. We're going to use white rice in this because that's what's actually used in the original. And we're just going to spread this white rice. The reason that we simmered the liquid on the stove was to get everything to melt, for the nutritional yeast and everything to mix together. And we're just going to pour this liquid over. Just get this all mashed in here real well. Going to add this on top. And you can use any type you have. I just happen to have some Daya cheddar. And now we're going to put some tin foil over this, and we're going to put it in a 350 oven for 45 minutes. All right, we took this out of the oven. We let it sit for a good 5 to 10 minutes, and I just took the tin foil off.